How to change your email on Facebook without a password. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your email on Facebook without a password. To change your email address, first open the Facebook app on your mobile device. After that, tap on Menu from your bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. Now tap on See More in Account Center to see details of your account. Next, from Account Settings, tap on Personal Details. Here, tap on Contact Info. You will find your phone numbers and email addresses that you have added for contact purposes. So tap on Add New Contact. Next, select Add Email Address. Now, add an email address that you want to add. After that, choose the account for this email address. Once you're done, tap on Next to go ahead. A confirmation code will be sent to your email address. So open your Gmail account and add that code here. Click on Next to go ahead. After that, your email address will be added to your selected account. You will find this email address in your contact info. Now, if you had any email address previously, just delete that one and your email address will be updated. That's how you can do it without a password. Also, check out our video on how to delete a Facebook account permanently without a password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.